Welcome back to Aesthetic Nest. Is it just me, or does the word sustainable sometimes feel a little cold, a little clinical? We picture stark minimalism, or maybe a hefty price tag. But what if I told you that the coziest, most soul-nourishing look for winter 2026 is also the most sustainable and, incredibly, the most budget-friendly? The secret lies not in what you buy, but in what you see. Welcome to Conscious Coziness. It's the 2026 evolution of Farmhouse, where the warmth doesn't just come from a fireplace, but from the story of your home, where sustainable isn't a sacrifice, but a creative superpower. Today, we're building a deeply cozy, authentically farmhouse winter sanctuary, and we're doing it by embracing three powerful pillars: budget, maximalism, Uplegants, and the circular home. This isn't about spending more to look like you have less. It's about spending differently to create a home rich with texture, history, and heart. Section 1. The 2026 Farmhouse Philosophy, Redefining Rich. The 2026 farmhouse look has matured. It's moved on from the generic mass-produced signs and into something far more personal and resonant. This year, it's all about humble luxury. That means the luxury of comfort, the luxury of quiet, and the luxury of knowing your choices are gentle on the planet. It's a mindset shift, from curated perfection to collected authenticity. The key driver here is budget maximalism. We're not talking cluttered chaos. We're talking about maximal texture and sensation without the maximal spend. Instead of one expensive throw, we layer 3 thrifted wool blankets, each with its own pattern and history. The visual richness comes from the depth of the layers, not the price tags. This approach is inherently sustainable because it prioritizes reuse and gives existing items a powerful new life. And this leads us to our most important keyword for 2026, the circular home. It's the idea that nothing truly enters or leaves, it just transforms. That chipped jug becomes a vase for dried branches. Last year's linen shirt becomes the fabric for a pillow cover. The circular home is a creative, living system. It's farmhouse not as a static style, but as a thoughtful, evolving practice that saves you money and reduces waste at every single turn. Section 2. The 3 Pillars of Conscious Coziness. So, how do we build this? Let's focus on 3 tangible, budget-friendly pillars that define the look. First, the Textural Symphony. Coziness in 2026 is engineered through contrast. It's the smooth, cool surface of a repurposed marble pastry slab used as a trivet against the nubby, frayed edge of a linen napkin. It's the softness of a brushed cotton curtain against the rough-sawn edge of a salvaged wood shelf. Your mission is to create a room you desperately want to touch. Source these textures for free or cheap. Felt old sweaters from the thrift store for pillows. Sand down a found piece of driftwood. Unravel a jute bag for rustic ribbon. The sensory experience is the luxury. Second, the palette of place. We're moving beyond pure white and into what I call earthy neutrals. Think of the colors of a winter landscape just outside. Your window, the soft gray of bare bark, the creamy tone of old paper, the deep, inky green of evergreen. These colors are calm, grounding, and provide the perfect canvas. The budget magic. You can often find mist-tinted paint samples at hardware stores for a few dollars, perfect for small furniture, upcycles. And by pulling colors from your local environment, your home feels inherently connected and peaceful. Third, the alchemy of light and scent. This is where atmosphere is born. For light, embrace asymmetrical glow. Cluster mismatched, thrifted candlesticks, brass, wood, ceramic together on a tray. Use old, clean tin cans, punched with patterns as tea light holders. The goal is a flickering low-level light that casts beautiful shadows and highlights all your textures. For scent, ditch the synthetic plugins. Create a stovetop simmer pot with kitchen scraps, apple peels, cinnamon sticks, and rosemary. It's the ultimate, budget-friendly, natural, and immersive scent that makes your entire home feel like a warm, fragrant hug. Section 3. Fresh, budget-friendly, 2026 project ideas. Let's translate this into a few very specific projects you can tackle this weekend. Project 1. The Uplegant Thrifted Vignette. Uplegance is my word for upcycled elegance. Go to a thrift store with a new eye. Don't look for things. Look for shapes and materials. Find a heavy, interesting book. Find a small, solid wood bowl. Find a single, chunky candlestick. At home, group them together on a tray or a simple slice of wood. Give the candlestick a fresh coat of that mist-tinted earth tone paint. Suddenly, this $8 collection looks like a curated, high-end moment. It's quiet luxury on a thrift store budget. Project 2. The Close Loop Winter Swag. Instead of buying a garland, make a foraged and fabric swag. Take a fallen branch as your base. Using twine or that jute ribbon, tie on foraged pine clippings, dried seed pods, or even bundles of cinnamon sticks. Then, add texture from your scrap bin. Cut small squares of plaid flannel, burlap, or linen and tie them in between the greens. It's personalized, costs virtually nothing, and can be composted or disassembled after the season. Project 3. The Heirloom Textile Transformation. This is the ultimate budget power move. Find a vintage quilt, tablecloth, or even a set of napkins at an estate sale. The fabric might be worn, but the pattern is beautiful. Use simple fabric glue or basic stitches to transform it. Frame a large swatch as art. Recover the seat of a tired dining chair. Make a simple bolster pillow. You are literally draping your home in history and pattern for a fraction of the cost of new fabric or art. This is Grand Millennial style meeting the circular economy and its pure farmhouse soul. Remember, the 2026 Farmhouse winter look isn't a catalog you order from. It's a feeling you cultivate. It's the confidence that the coziest home is one built with intention, not just income. It's understanding that true abundance isn't about more stuff, but more stories, more texture, more connection. Start small. Build your textural symphony, one thrifted blanket at a time. Mix your palette of place with a found object and a paint sample. Let your home tell its own unique, sustainable, and deeply cozy story this winter. If this philosophy of conscious coziness resonates with you, please give this video a thumbs up. It truly helps. I'd love to hear which pillar you're most excited to try. Drop your favorite budget cozy tip in the comments below. And if you're ready for more ideas on building a slow decor home that's both beautiful and responsible, make sure to subscribe. Until then, look at what you already have with new, creative eyes. Your cozy sanctuary is waiting to be found. Thanks for watching.